Looking for a smartphone that packs a punch? The Google Pixel 9 Pro is here to impress. Let's dive into the top 5 features that make it a standout device. Feature 1. AI-powered photography. The Pixel 9 Pro's AI-driven camera takes photography to the next level, offering stunning photo quality even in challenging conditions. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a cutting-edge camera system that captures stunning images and videos. With features like night mode, portrait mode, and advanced zoom, you'll always get professional quality shots. Feature 2. Tensor G4 chipset. Google's Tensor G4 chipset delivers fast, efficient lightning-fast performance. From smooth multitasking, AI tasks to seamless gaming, this device handles it all with ease. Feature 3. Long-lasting battery. Stay connected all day long with the Pixel 9 Pro's long-lasting battery. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web, you'll have plenty of juice to keep you going. Feature 4. Unique AI features. Experience the future of smartphone technology with the Pixel 9 Pro's unique AI features. From removing unwanted objects from photos to screening unwanted calls, these tools make your life easier and more convenient. Feature 5. Pure Android experience. Enjoy a pure, uncluttered Android experience on the Pixel 9 Pro. With regular updates and minimal bloatware, you'll get the most out of your device without any unnecessary distractions. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerful tool that can enhance your daily life. With its advanced camera, powerful processor, long-lasting battery, unique AI features, and clean Android experience, it's a must-have for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Which feature stands out to you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons here on Mr. Phone Boss.